guys, and it's raining now. It's finally raining. Oh, you look up. It's so scary. Anyways, right now, it's raining. That's actually what I'm about to say. It's raining. The storm warnings are still there. And I'm out of breath. I was just sitting down. I didn't even know it was raining. Because all of our windows, everything was closed. So I didn't even hear it. I was just sitting out. Blah, blah, it's not raining. I was like, let me just look outside. I don't know what that noise is. And I'm like, bah! It's raining. You can get a little, the rain sounds. Yeah, that's how the rain sounds. I just opened my window here. I did that so you could hear it. The clouds are not happy at all. That's all I can say. So that's pretty much it. Also, I have a warning for you guys who are in West Edmonton or in downtown Edmonton. Because in those places, there's a chance of hail. That's my warning. That there might be nickel-sized hail there. Anyways, you might want to get out of there if you are in West Edmonton or in downtown Edmonton. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye! And guys, you might have noticed this for a very long time. I don't say please subscribe and like for more videos. Yeah, I don't say that. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.